So his question is, fields are given. One is basic pay, another is employee number. So two fields are given of which class? Class employee. Okay. Class employee, it has two fields. One is employee number. Employee number will be, let us say, INT. Basic, let us say, double. So, these are the fields. They have to, you should take the value for them. Okay. So, you should have a take function, input function to take their values. Right? So, though that function, it is not given, only given what? To find the gross pay, net pay, and then to display. But taking the values for basic and employee number is not given, right? So we will write a function for that. Public void take function. Very good. In the take function, you will take two things. First one is the int a, second one is the double b. What we will do with to this a, will supply to employee number. Employee number becomes a. Okay. Equal sign is the assignment operator. We are assigning a value to employee number, and b value we are assigning to basic. So after that we will write the other functions. First function is telling to do what? Gross. Okay. When this function, what this function is inputting, it is telling what this function is taking. Public. Okay. I don't know what is it. It is void or something. I don't know. What it is taking? Void. How do you know void? Okay, it is not. What is the full sentence? Somebody will read. So full sentence is, compute gross pay, receive HRA percent, DA percent as parameter, and computes the gross pay as basic this. Okay. So what is, I don't know what is it is void or non-void, but the function name is gross pay. Okay, gross pay calculation, or I can say gross calculation, gross cal. What it is taking, how many things taking? Two things. Two things or three things? Two things. Two things. What are those? First one is double HRA percent. Okay. HRA percent. HRAP. Second one is double DA percent, DAP. Then what it is doing? Finding the gross. So let us, I have not put here variable, member variable, I have not put gross. So I have to create the member variable, local variable here. Okay, local variable here, double gross, equal to, what will be that? Basic plus basic into HRA by 100 percentage plus basic into DAP by 100. Okay. So with this equation it will be found out. Which value found out? Gross value. Okay. So I can do one thing, because I have not done any gross variable. Okay. I can also return its value. Huh? So for returning the value, I will give the return GR. Wait. If I give return GR, I have to write here double. In the function prototype, I have to write it double, because now it is not void function. Okay, it will return the value. Okay. So where it will return? To the main function it will return. Okay. Next function will be our what? Our net function. So we will write similarly. What to write? Public. Yes. Again here double. Okay. Public double. What will be the net car bracket? How many things it is taking? Nothing. No. It is taking 15%. Okay, 15% not taking. You know 15% it is tax. Okay. Tax is 15%. So you know. So no need to take anything from outside. So it receives nothing. We are finding the, again we are creating a local variable. Double net is equal to whatever was there, gross, but gross, gross should be called here. Okay, yes or no? So, right. Okay. So it is better send the gross here, right? Send the gross here. So wait, let us see. Double wait gross. Double gross. So I am receiving the gross in this place. Clear or not? Which place? In the parenthesis of the function. So net calculation is receiving the gross, and that gross minus gross into 15 by, so that is the net. Now we will return the net. Now it is over. So then display function. In the display function, what will be? Public void. No function is here static. You see, yet no function is static. Public void, but display function. It is taking nothing. Nothing it will take. What to print? Okay, it will only print. It will print the gross as well as net. Okay, these things it will print. But a gross net we don't have any global variable. So it can only print what? It can only print what? This global variable. Only print, it can only print employee number and what? And basic. Because you don't have them, there is no global variable in the name of what? Gross and net. we can print there here. Okay, local instance, two instance variable are there, employee number and basic. Only we can print in the display function. Understood? Huh? Because that is a instance method. It can only print the instance variable. Now last thing we will do what? Main function. Public static. So first time this is the static function coming. Public static void main. Okay. So here we are creating the object. Employee object. Employee RV1 is equal to new employee function. RV1 equal to new employee function. Now RV1, hey, listen, will do take. You will use the take function. Suppose employee number is 51 and basic is 10,000. So we are sending them to the take function. Okay. Next we will call whom? Gross function. Gross call. So we will use the RV1 to call it. Okay. RV1 dot whom? Gross call. Bracket what we will give? 2%. Okay. 2% we will give. 1 for whom? HRA. Okay. Suppose HRA is 10%. Comma. Then DA percentage. DA suppose 12%. We are supplying. It is also giving to us something. It is also giving us something or not? Yes or no? It is giving me what? It is giving me what? Gross pay. So I will write here GP is equal to RV1 dot gross calculation bracketed 10, 12. I'll have another variable net pay. Yes or no? So I'll write here net pay equal to RV1 dot net calculation function and use. But in bracket I'll give GP, because you see net calculation was taking the gross. So which GP is found out, we are sending it there. It will be used for finding the net, and that is return I am storing in the NP. So I have to now show two things. I have to call the display function to show the employee number and a basic. Then I have to directly show GP and a NP. GP and a NP. So two things I have to do now. First thing I will do what? RB1 dot display function. That is a void function. Display function is a void function. Next thing what I will do? I have to directly print GP and a NP. I have to directly print GP and a NP. Clear? And then my main function is over and a class will be over. Okay? Clear? But your program would be different if you are putting the gross and a net as global variable, as instance variable, then program will be little different. Okay, I have not put them net pay and a gross pay. I am not putting them as global variable. I am putting them as a local variable in the main function. So my program is little different. Clear? So this is a homework for you. You also create another program keeping the gross pay and the net pay as global variable or instance variable.